Welcome to this video. Now let us discuss about pumpkin diversity. Pumpkin is the national vegetable of India. The scientific name of pumpkin is Cucurbita species. It belongs to the family Cucurbitaceae. Pumpkins are originated in northeastern Mexico and southern United States. It is a squash fruit, usually orange in color when ripe. Pumpkins are grow best in neutral or slightly acidic soil. Choose a sunny location with well-drained soil. Add neem cake or neem solution to the soil a week before planting. It requires a minimum temperature of 18 degrees Celsius during early growth, but optimal temperature are in the range of 24 to 27 degrees Celsius. Pumpkin tolerates a wide range of soil but prefer a well-drained sandy loam soil that is rich in organic matter. The optimum soil pH is 6 to 6.7, but plant tolerate alkaline soil up to pH 8. During the initial stages of growth, irrigate at an interval of 3 to 4 days. Irrigate in alternate days during flowering and fruiting. Pumpkin leaves have a healthy amount of vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium and iron. And also, aside from the vision benefit of vitamin A that the leaves provide, there are also numerous skin benefits. These are not only the health benefit of this wonderful plant, for it also fight against cancer, increases fertility, prevents infection, lower cholesterol and also anti-aging agent. A pumpkin seed, also known in North America as a pepita, is the edible seed of a pumpkin. The seeds are typically flat, oval, or have a white outer husk and light green in color after the husk is removed. Some cultivar of huskless and are grown only for their edible seed. These seeds are nutrient and calorie rich with especially high content of fat, protein, dietary fiber and numerous micronutrients. Pumpkin seed can refer either to the whole kernel or unhulled whole seed and most commonly refer to the roasted end product used as a snacks. The seeds contain omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid, antioxidant and fiber. This combination has benefit for both the heart and liver. The flowers that pumpkin seeds produce are beautiful, funnel-shaped blossoms of a vibrant orange or yellow color. They may be approximately 4 to 5 inches wide in diameter. Pumpkin plants produce male and female flower. These flowers usually emerge about 6 to 8 weeks after the seeds are sowed, although it generally depends on the climate and surrounding condition. These flowers has significant culinary importance, although pumpkin flowers are not as much in demand as the fruit itself. They are often prepared like vegetables. As they have a bright, smooth texture, they can be used in various salads, soups, or sprinkled over dishes like rice. Creating dishes with male blossoms is recommended after pollination, as the female ones are responsible for fruit production. Coming to varieties of pumpkin. Jack B. Little. This tiny and cute pumpkin weighs just 8 ounces. It is flat and ripe. These are highly popular, a top selling fall crop. The flesh is good to eat and the skin is bright orange. Jack B. Little is a miniature pumpkin that grows to 3 inches in diameter and 2 inches tall. They are flat and ripe variety with thin yet strong stems. They are most popular in decorating in fall, winter, and the kids often love them because of their miniature size. These pumpkin will be ready for harvest in roughly 95 days after the first sprouts appear. Cut the stems at least 2 to 3 inches from the actual fruits. Baby bear. It is unique size, shape, and the deep orange color. Fruits are about half the size of normal pumpkin. They need fertile, aerated soil that is 70 to 90 degree Fahrenheit. Work compost or well-rotted manure into the soil. They will grow on soil with a pH of up to 8. To prevent mildew, water pumpkin plant as their base. Avoid watering the pumpkin foliage as this will minimize the occurrence of fungal infestations. Geraldae. It is a winter pumpkin with an unusual blue-grey colored skin and a heavy ribbed drum shape. It is a native to Australia and a cross between blue hubbard and a Cinderella pumpkin. The skin of this pumpkin is what makes it so distinctive. with the hot greyish rim contrasted against the thick orange inner flesh. This variety can grow from 6 to 120 pounds and will need a lot of room due to the plant vines that extend up to 30 feet long and 18 inches tall. Baby Boo. It is a miniature white pumpkin. It is a creamy white version of our popular munchkin. The fruit average 2 to 3 inches in diameter by 2 inches high and have a white flesh that is edible. For good white color, either plant this variety later or harvest before full maturity because the color turn a pale yellow when fully ripe. Munchkin. It is only 10 to 12 cm wide, has a bright tangerine orange color with a deep suture and a flattened scalloped shape. Munchkin is a bright orange, early mature variety that produces high number of little pumpkin per plant that remains firm for a long time. They can be dried for arrangement and autumn decoration. Autumn Gold. This plant produces good yields and bright orange pumpkin. They have a round shape and good handles. It is highly productive variety, spreads 12 to 20 feet with 3 to 5 pumpkin per vine. Cinderella pumpkin. Cinderella pumpkin are shaped like Cinderella squash as depicted by Disney. They are slightly flattened with a deep orange rind and deep ribs, and occasionally some pumps are netting on the rind. The size ranges from 7 to 18 kg. These pumpkin have hard and thick skin but still have delicious flesh inside. Fairy Tale. Fairy Tale is a French heirloom that is deeply loved and well known for its delicious orange flesh. Pumpkin reach 12 to 18 inches across, weighs about 15 pounds. This fruit is thick and deep orange and can be used for any baked squash recipe. Chefs love their sweet and creamy flavor. This beauty is often sold in slices in French markets. Long Island cheese. It have been flavored for its smooth texture, long storage capabilities, and for its use in pumpkin pie. Its name is nod to the squash growing region along the eastern seaboard and also to its unique shape, which resembles a cheese wheel. This medium-sized pumpkin typically weighs about 10 pounds, has light ripening, and is known for its sweet taste. Black Futsu. This rare Japanese specialty is recognized by its unique black, warty skin and nutty and fresh flavor. Bright orange flesh has firm texture that is sweet and buttery roasted or light and fruity raw. They ripe in winter storage when the green halo between the flesh and skin disappear and the skin turns from black to chestnut. Lakocha. This bright orange pear-shaped pumpkin have striking dark green marking and is feed 2 to 5 kg fruits, not too big for table display and ideal for storage. Casper. It is a white skin ornamental with a thick orange flesh of excellent eating quality. The skin has less bluing than many other white varieties and grows on a corky texture tan handles. This pumpkin grows 9 to 12 inches in diameter. Water Goblin. This seed produces heavily watered pumpkin that are frighteningly cool. The round to tall pumpkin have an orange hard shell rind and green wad that stay green for several weeks after harvest. Water Goblin has a well-proportioned dark green stem that is firmly attached. Cotton Candy. These pumpkin have glossy white colored rind with slight ripening and strong handles. They will weigh 5 to 12 pounds. Inside they have a sweet white flesh which can be used as a squash or in desserts. The pumpkin grows on strong vines. Tandy. This understated variety has pale butternut colored skin, a slightly oval shape and a strong green stem. Aspen. It is a semi-bush variety producing 3 to 5 pumpkin per vine. This is very attractive pumpkin, have large and sturdy handles. Buckskin. It is a corn shape with the turn colored rind. Inside they have a finely textured and deep orange flesh. Snowball. It is a bright white color, long, contrasting green handle. The medium vines have an intermediate resistance to powdery mildew and produce strong yields. It is in small size and smooth white finish, make it perfect for painting. Lumina white. It produces pale white colored pumpkin with bright or orange flesh. Each pumpkin plant will produce up to 3 to 5 fruits per vine, measuring 8 to 10 inches in diameter, weighing roughly 10 to 12 pounds each. Kabocha. It is shaped like a square pumpkin and has a dull finished, deep green skin with some skeleton to white stripes and an intense yellow-orange color on the inside.